Welcome to Chat Smart English, your go-to channel for mastering English with confidence. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: English mistakes you don't even realize you're making. These tiny mistakes can silently hold you back from sounding fluent and natural. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll identify and correct them all, making you sound more like a native speaker. So, if you want to boost your English skills, avoid embarrassing mistakes, and speak with confidence, stick around till the end. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell, because we bring you the best English learning tips every week. Now, let's jump right in and uncover the mistakes that might be stopping you from speaking perfect English. Let's start with a mistake that many English learners make: using the wrong prepositions. For example, have you ever said, "I am good in English"? "She is married with John." These might sound okay, but they're actually incorrect. Here's how to fix them. I am good at English. Not good in. She is married to John. Not married with. Prepositions like at, in, on, to, for can be tricky because they don't always follow the same logic in different languages. But don't worry. Here's a simple trick. Use at for skills: good at English, bad at math. Use to for relationships: married to, engaged to, connected to. Now, let's test you. Which sentence is correct? A. She is interested for learning English. B. She is interested in learning English. Comment your answer below. And now, let's move to the next mistake. This one is even trickier. Now, here's a mistake that even advanced learners make: incorrect word order. Have you ever said, "I like very much this song"? She always is late. These sound awkward because the words are not in the right order. Here's how to fix them. I like this song very much. Not I like very much this song. She is always late. Not she always is late. The golden rule: in English, adverbs like always, usually, often, never go before the main verb, but after be verbs. Examples: she always wakes up early. Before the main verb, wakes up. He is never late. After the verb is. Now, here's a challenge for you. Which sentence is correct? A. They go always to the gym. B. They always go to the gym. Drop your answer in the comments. Let's see how many of you get it right. And now, let's move on to another mistake that could be making you sound less fluent. A mistake that makes your English sound repetitive and less impressive is overusing words like every and really. For example, "This movie is very good. I am really tired." Now, these sentences aren't wrong, but native speakers use richer vocabulary to sound more natural. Instead of saying very or really all the time, try using stronger adjectives. "This movie is amazing." Instead of very good, "I am exhausted." Instead of really tired, here are more powerful alternatives: very happy, thrilled, very cold, freezing, very hungry, starving. Try this. Rewrite this sentence using a stronger word. "This book is very interesting." Comment below with your answer. Now, let's move to the next mistake. One that can make you sound less professional in English. This mistake is so common that even some native speakers make it. It happens when people confuse I and me in sentences. For example, "Me and my friend went to the store." "She gave the book to my brother and I." Both of these sentences are wrong. Here's how to fix them. My friend and I went to the store. Not me and my friend. She gave the book to my brother and me. Not my brother and I. How to know if you should use I or me. Here's a simple trick. Remove the other person and check if the sentence still sounds right. For example, would you say, me went to the store? No, you'd say, I went to the store. Would you say, she gave the book to I? No, you'd say, she gave the book to me. Try this. Which sentence is correct? A. John and me are best friends. B. John and I are best friends. Drop your answer in the comments. Let's see how many of you get it right. And now, let's move to a mistake that makes English learners sound unnatural. A mistake that can make you sound too direct or even a little rude in English is always using want instead of would like when asking for something. For example, I want a cup of coffee. I want to ask you something. While these sentences aren't grammatically wrong, they can sound too demanding in polite conversations. Instead, native speakers use would like to sound more polite and natural. I would like a cup of coffee. More polite, I would like to ask you something. The simple rule: use want with friends in casual situations. Use would like in professional or polite situations. For example, if you're ordering food at a restaurant, which sounds better? A. I want a burger. B. I would like a burger. The second one sounds much more polite. Now here's a challenge for you. Rewrite this sentence using would like. I want some help with my English. Comment your answer below. And now, let's move on to a mistake that can confuse people when you speak. Many English learners mix up since and for when talking about time. Let's see if you've ever made this mistake. I have been learning English since 3 years. I have been working here for 2019. These are wrong. Here's the correct way. I have been learning English for 3 years. Use for with a duration. I have been working here since 2019. Use since with a starting point. Quick rule: use for when talking about a period of time for 3 years, for 2 weeks, for a long time. Use since when talking about a specific time: since Monday, since 2019, since morning. Let's test you. Which sentence is correct? A. I have lived here since 5 years. B. I have lived here for 5 years. Drop your answer in the comments. Now, let's move to the final mistake, and it's one that even fluent speakers sometimes get wrong. This mistake can completely change the meaning of your sentence, and many learners don't even realize they're making it. For example, I don't need no help. She didn't do nothing. These sentences sound wrong in English because using two negatives cancels out the meaning, making the sentence positive instead of negative. Here's the correct way to say them. I don't need any help, instead of I don't need no help. She didn't do anything, instead of she didn't do nothing. Simple rule: double negatives. Incorrect use: only one negative word, don't, didn't, isn't, with any or anything instead of no or nothing. Now, let's test you. Which sentence is correct? A. He didn't say nothing. B. He didn't say anything. Drop your answer in the comments. Congratulations! Now you know 7 common English mistakes and how to fix them. By avoiding these errors, you'll sound more fluent, professional, and confident in English. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Chat Smart English, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. And tell us in the comments, which mistakes surprised you the most? See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep improving.